Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a late night Raw reaction. I'm still really ill. I'm on a lot of tablets, a lot of painkillers, just to get me through. But hopefully it'll be okay by next week. I said that last week as well, but there you go. So I do apologise for the lateness and if I sound groggy, because I am a bit groggy. So we're gonna react. I'm reacting to stuff. I enjoy reacting to stuff, and even though I am a bit ill, I thought, why not? Let's do it. Let's do some reactions. So we're going to react to Ronda Rousey rips into the Bellas, destroying both their private security. From the 15th of October, 2018. So let's have a little look.
I'm sure most of you guys know that last week, the Bella twins betrayed me in front of the whole world.
Well, you shouldn't have trusted them. We all know they're assholes. Just saying. This is not news.
I just want an explanation. That's all, you know.
Should have stuck with Natalia. She's definitely not going to betray you.
Come on, guys. Come out here. At least tell me why.
Funny. Tell me why.
We don't owe you one.
No, I mean, please, Rhonda. This is show business, not show friends. I mean, You're the one to disrespect us. You're the one who disregarded everything Nikki and I have done for this business.
You did nothing.
I mean,
you're the reason this business is like this.
For us to sit on the sidelines and watch you?
I mean, you're the reason why Brie and I came back to compete. It made me cringe to watch you at the forefront of this evolution.
Evolution.
No, you have something else to say? Go ahead. It's your turn. Go.
Oh, no. I mean, go ahead. It's all you, Rhonda. Unless we know you're going to come up here and break our arms.
I tried my best to be respectful. I really did. I knew that the WWE was your territory first. And I really tried not to be judgmental, even though everything that the Divas era stood for made me sick to my stomach.
Yeah.
I tried my best to give you the benefit of a doubt, that you were just doing the best you could with what you had. I was too idealistic. I was too naive to see that you guys are the embodiment of a stereotype.
I shouldn't have said the S word, sorry.
B's. Do nothing Bellas. You guys weren't there to support me. You were there because there was a camera pointed at me, and never in my life have I seen such desperation for attention.
Ooh. Oh, dabs! Shots from the hip.
Of your men. You plagiarize and dilute their movesets.
Ooh.
You're not pioneers, you're a callous. You're relics of the past waiting to be eviscerated like smallpox. Okay. So you think
Stop spitting hot fire.
You think we're a disease? You think we're do-nothing Bellas?
Pretty much.
We
Sorry.
have broken more barriers than you ever have. We have knocked down more
No,
doors.
you haven't.
You don't even compare to us at all.
Knock down doors.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Knock down doors.
My entire career, I've been knocking down doors. I've knocked down doors in judo, I knocked down doors in Strikeforce, I knocked down doors in the UFC, and now I'm knocking down doors here at home in the WWE.
Ooh.
The only door you ever knocked down was the door to John Cena's bedroom.
Oh, no! Oh, no, she did! Oh, mic drop! Oh!
Out of that exact same door.
Nikki in play, and apparently...
Savage. Savage, Ronda. Okay. You're not really proving your point there. You make yourself look stupid. You can look, but you can't touch. Yes, that definitely sounds like female empowerment.
Wise decision is what it is. Did the Bellas bring their own security team?
Insurance policy.
The Bellas are a multi-million-dollar brand. This is just business.
Sure, body parts like J-Lo.
Ronda Rousey. Look at this. Go right to the security team. Calm down now, Ronda. What are you doing?
All right, indie guy. All right, indie wrestler.
Well, that won't work.
Uh-oh.
Thanks for coming. Meanwhile, Nikki and Brie Bella.
Run! Run, bitch, run!
And Ronda Rousey, guys, is now going to have to wait to face Nikki Bella for the Raw Women's Championship a week
My bad.
Sunday, October 28th, at the All-Women's Pay-Per-View event, WWE Evolution.
Evolution. Wow. Alright. Not too bad. Not shabby. The rumors for months have been Ronda Rousey versus Nikki Bella. And I was like, that is dumb. That's a terrible idea. Why is that a match? It should be Ronda Rousey versus Charlotte, I guess. Charlotte versus Becky's pretty good, so I'm not worried about that. Or Oscar. That would be pretty sweet. I was always off like, why Nikki? But no, that segment kind of sold it to me a little bit. I kind of like that. I like that segment. Pretty much saying what all the smart marks have been saying for 6, 7 years, 8 years, or pretty much since the Bellas debuted until now. Pretty much saying what all the smart marks have been saying. The marks. I don't know how much of that's true. I feel like they are. The Bella Twins have improved a lot, and they were from a bad era of women's wrestling in WWE, so it's not all their fault. However, I do kind of agree with a lot of what Ronda said, so I don't really know. And I don't know them personally. I don't watch their reality shows, so I don't like to judge people, really. And I always feel like I always say it, if you're in a wrestling ring, I have respect for you, no matter how good or how bad you are, because it is not an easy job. So there you go. I'm not going to judge them, but that was a cool segment. That was pretty savage by Ronda Rousey. Just see what the hardcore fans have been saying for years. So it is interesting. But what do you guys think? Are you guys excited for Ronda Rousey versus Nikki Bella? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, ladies, guys, now I'm going to go back to bed.